Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to use hardware macro record and how to recall the recorded macro into key code so that the operating system can receive it and print out on the screen. Well, if you have a full layout keyboard, I mean NerD 108, you will have a dedicated macro activator key. But if you have a 60% or 10-kit list layout, you will not have a macro key on your keyboard. So I mapped the macro key on its FN layer so that in every layout user can use hardware macro function. Let's see. First, you have to run a notepad. This is required because you can see what is being typed on the screen, so you can check whether your macro to be recording is correct, or you have to re-record it or make a correction to it. Well, I already run a notepad, and is the window of notepad is here. Okay. Then try typing and check whether the language system is what you want. Well, today I will use English because this is for English speakers. Okay, the language is English, right? Okay, first you have to find where you have the indicator LED on your keyboard. Well, it's generally located near the caps lock switch. Well, you see, I will press down FN1 and right control. This combination is macro because I mapped macro key on its FN1 layer at right control position. So if you press down FN1 and right control, it will activate macro. If you press down FN1 and right control, I mean macro, the indicator will start breathing, right? You see? This means you have activated macro mode. If you have any macro recorded on any key, you can recall the recorded macro. Well, I will show you an example. I have recorded some macro key sequence at number 2. So I will record it. You see on the take a look at on the notepad. You see it? Okay, this is what I recorded before. Okay, and today I will record a new key sequence. To do it, press down FN1 and make a triple click to your right control. I mean, you have to make a triple click on your macro key, but you have to make sure that you have to keep press down when you press the third hit on the macro key. Let's see. Okay, you have to do it fast. Okay, you see? Now the indicator LED blinks. See it? Okay. This if you see your indicator LED is blinking, you are ready to record key macro sequence. Okay, I will record A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay, see it? See it on the screen? Okay, then press macro. I mean here for this keyboard, FN1 and right control. Then designate which key you want store the key sequence. I will try it at G. Okay, you see the indicator LED has been turned off. Okay, this means you have successfully recorded the macro and stored at JIT, and the macro record mode is finished. If you want to record another hardware macro, you have to do it again. I mean triple click, then indicator. In this case, the click was too slow. I will make a fast clicks. Okay, blinking. I will record another key sequence. But I have a mistake. I made a mistake because I didn't delete the existing key sequence here, because it doesn't matter if it doesn't matter, but just to make an example, if you want to delete this, so if you press down backspace, this will be recorded as a macro. But if you don't want that, just exit out of the macro recording mode. How to do that? Just make a triple click again. Okay, the indicator LED is turned off, so it's now normal operating mode. Now I will delete the key sequence on the notepad, and I will enter into again macro recording mode. Okay, the indicator blinks, right? Now I want to record 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Okay, I will store this key sequence at X, macro X. Okay, the indicator has been turned off. So now let's check whether these two macros are stored successfully. Okay, let's recall it. If you press down macro key, just macro key press down, the LED will breathe. Okay, slowly, not blinking. It will breathe. Okay, here I will press JIT. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. This is very slow because I think the option of recording mode is to include the actual real-time delay when typing. So if you don't want this, you have to change it at CLI software. By CLI, you can choose whether you will include the actual delay or just get rid of every delay between key input. Okay. Anyway, the first macro I recorded is successful. Okay. Then I will try the next. Macro and X. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Okay. All of the hardware macros are stored successfully. If you want to delete these macros, you have to run NerD config. Okay. Here, number 1 is macro configuration. In this menu, you can manage the recorded macros. Okay. I have 5 macros here. 3 of them I have recorded them before I show you how to record macros. And number 4 and 5, these 2 macros are what I recorded in this video. Well, I will delete the 4 and 5. Before that, I want to check whether this macro recording mode includes real-time delay or just get rid of delays. Here, O means option. Okay, press O. Now it says delay will be included while recording a real-time macro. This is why the typing I tried was slow, because it included the actual delay. I will change this. To change this, just press 1. Toggle delay option. Okay. Okay, now it toggled. Delay will not be included. Okay. Then press W to write this option on your keyboard. Okay. Okay. Then I want to delete the last recorded macro. Okay. Press number 5 and enter. For this macro, I want to delete this. To do that, press D. Okay, I deleted it. And for the macro number 4, I stored A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and I, J, K, L. I want to get rid of the delays between key inputs. Okay, 4. Okay, so A, if I press A, this will adjust delays to 0. So that means this will get rid of all delays between key inputs. Okay. Then I will go back to main menu and we'll quit. Before that, here you can see save. This save doesn't mean the configuration to be stored on your keyboard, but this save means this will make a backup of your macros to your local hard disk drive. This is useful if you want to reset your keyboard and record, but retain the macros that you were using before. Make a reset. Okay, I will go back to main menu and I will quit. Okay, let's see whether the delays are removed successfully. Okay, press macro and JIT. You see, it's very fast now. Okay, because all the delays between key inputs are removed. Okay, this is how to use your NerD with hardware macro function. Okay, bye.